en kyk vir Bugs en Ben met groot oë. Sien julle nou
Wait,
die
hold on.
haai
So where did they go?
into Gansbaai?
And who went with?
Their friends.
What's their names?
Toby, Bugs, Ben, Nina.
Oh, okay.
Skree hy. Nina het die lawaai gehoor en hardloop
What is lawaai?
noise.
Oh.
Nina het die lawaai gehoor en hardloop op om die draai met 'n slaaibak in haar hande.
What is a slybug?
Salad bowl.
Okay. So what's happening here? It sounds chaotic.
So he's to Toby so a shock.
Oh. Okay, carry on.
Sy sien die haai in die baai. Sy skrik so groot dat sy die slaaibak laat val.
So what did she do? What happened?
She did skrik so bad, ne? That she did let the salad fall.
Oh, somebody's in shit.
Die wind waai. Die wind waai erg. Die wind waai die slaai en die slaaibak weg. 'n wit seemeeu skree.
What is a CMU?
Seagull. I think.
Seagull, yeah.
'n wit seemeeu skreeu. Die wit seemeeu wil die slaai opvreet. Die huis waarin hulle bly is oud en 'n bietjie snaaks. Daar is 'n groot prent van 'n leeu in die sneeu met 'n klein spreeu op sy kop.
Yeah.
Ben se mamma sê
See, there's that copy on the E.
ja,
And that makes the E sound long. Say.
sê die prent is eeu oud. Later gaan hulle almal uit op die haaiboot. Papa het gister die karkies veilig in die laai gebeere.
So who did... Okay, we're going to go back to that question, okay?
Dit gaan 'n prettige naweek wees.
This is a cool story. So take me to the questions.
Dit is question.
What is the question?
Wie het die karkies gebeere?
Wie?
Papa.
Papa. Well done. Okay. Is it number 3? How many questions is there? Is that it?
It's only 3 en jy must omkring die woorde in die story.
Okay.
Circle these words in
Okay, you know how to find it. Okay, cool. Go, what's the name inside? You can't actually press on the bed. Okay, enjoy your homework.
Okay.